Yo, what's going on, guys? And Game Crane back here, and now I'm back, and I have will you press the button here. So I'm gonna put it down here. So will you press the button? It was actually like a computer thing at first, but now it's like on the App Store right now. So I recommend you go get it. I did one, and it was pretty cool. Sometimes I have to look up what the things are. Like there was a celebrity I didn't know, and it told me a thing. Alright, so let's just go into this. You will embark on a relationship with a person who is attractive, completes you emotionally, spiritually, and intellectually. I'm stupid though. The physical side of your relationship is less than satisfactory. I wouldn't press that. Just because, like, it'd just be awful going out with her. You are part of the SHIELD initiative. You talking about like SHIELD as in like Thor and everything and Iron Man and stuff. Every time you close your eyes, you see Loki killing Agent Coulson over and over again. I didn't really care about Agent Coulson. Does that count as when you blink though? Cause then you blink and you have to see that whole scene. I would go no. Because I don't want to see that every single time I do that. Alright, so turn anything into anything else. Hold on, give me a chance to find a good one, guys. Alright, so here's a good one. Would you press the button? You get to have an unlimited supply of pizza. You can never eat bacon again. Never eat bacon again. I like pizza more than I do bacon. Sorry. Get out of here! What is this? Asian Date. We're gonna watch this because it's AsianDate.com. Okay, I can't do this anymore. Are you serious? You get one rule-free wish, so does everyone else. So everybody gets their dream.
Seriously?
I mean,
are we building our house now? Stop, please. Okay, I'm coming.
you have all the women in the world at your command. I don't like that. I don't want all the women in the world to my command.
From the temple.
I mean, that's stupid.
Hey, share some stuff with me, okay?
That's so stupid. If you want all the women to, and you're probably thinking sexually, first of all. And second of all, it's sexist. So, I don't want all the women. I will not. Alright, you can live forever, but you will be home. No. There's no point in living. You can grow or shrink just by thinking. You have to be wearing an eye patch at all times. And eye patches are cool. I've become Ant-Man. Your most anticipated game sequel comes out this year. It's only for, oh my gosh, I have PS. Oh. Dang, that's like 50-50.
I only had like 3 stuff.
But my favorite game emotionally is Life is Strange. Episode 4.
But I'll share that emerald with you and see what we can.
But my favorite game overall is probably like 2K games, Madden games. I probably couldn't choose. Oh my gosh. You become the healthiest person on earth, immune to all illness and disease. You must watch the entirety of Groundhog Day once a day, every day for the rest. That's like 3 hours. It's like 3 to 5. No. I cannot do that. I can't live that way. I can't. Alright. Here we go. Will you press, you get to you get an unreal heavenly singing voice, but you are prevented from talking, don't? No, I can't just sing, and I can't sing. And I'm not really that into singing anyway, so, I mean, it's not that big of a deal to me. Tell me guys your favorite one, and tell me if you would press the button on it. If you want to, you could do one for everyone that I do. Probably won't be a long video, though. Alright, so, will you press the button? Have any superpower, you will be stuck in an uncurable coma a month later.
Let's see. I only have one emerald.
I mean, I'm still alive, but I don't
Please
know.
don't kick him.
Any superpower. That's really cool, but I only have it for a month, and then I'm in an uncurable coma. But sooner or later, they have to be able to cure it. But it's uncurable, so...
Why, Ninja?
The power
That's
to
not
not
my
get
friend.
comas. Ha! Yeah! The power to not get comas, but that would... Yeah,
What?
then what's the point? Guess you only want to choose one superpower, so it's choosing the power to not fall into a... Yeah. Yeah, so there's no point if you have the power to not fall into comas. There's no point. This is a hard one.
Hurry up. Mom will be home here.
I'll go with no, because I don't want to have it like that. You can be the most beautiful man, woman, most handsome man, yeah. You're never allowed to use the internet. Nope. Nope. Nopity. Nope. Nope. But nope. You are immortal, but you constantly grow as you get older until you become too large to support your own weight and become immobilized. Oh, you're talking about like... Ooh. No. I'm very skinny. You can read minds, you can't. No. No, I have to be able to express my feelings. You get... Wait! Oh, I could have just done sign language. Dang it. You get to be the person you always wanted to be with your dream job and partner. Your whole family refuses to speak for you. Ooh. No. What is wrong with people? Your whole family. No. The person you would really, would be really happy. They're dating one of your friends and will be out of your reach. I mean, as long as they're happy, yeah. If you really like them, you want them to be happy. Everything is free and you never have to pay for anything ever again. The money used comes from funding.
That really hurt.
No, because other people need that. You did not press the button. Oh.
Can you give me a paper towel at least? Like,
You become all powerful. You become all powerful, have more money than Microsoft, and can be considered the first ruler of all. No,
Please teleport me there.
I don't want to be the ruler. You have the ability to travel back in time. You cannot go forth again. Wait, does that mean like I can't?
But before you
what
tell
the heck was that?
Yeah. Get the money.
God, that.
Does that mean I'm literally stuck in that day forever? Because if it is,
No.
Just do it. Clean the deck.
boy.
No, it's fine. Oh my God, this is gonna hurt.
Alright, so I'm just gonna leave this episode here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Why is blood just spilling?
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why these niggas capping so hard?